Chief Meteorologist Michael Coates.
Definitely bringing in the heat here with highs today near 90. We're going to see the repeat for tomorrow. You may have noticed also more sunshine. We have a few thunderclouds getting in around the upper Snake River Highlands there, around Clark County and Fremont County, but nothing threatening at this point. 89 degrees live look at the Pocatello Farm Bureau cam with lots of blue overhead. Winds west at 11 miles an hour. It's that westward and that southwesterly wind that's going to really, again, drive our temperatures northward as we're picking up that warm air across the desert. Hey, we're at 93 right now in Twin Falls, 92 for Boise, and we're into the upper 70s right now for Jackson, mid-80s in Challis, near 90 also for Malad, mid-70s in West Yellowstone, Montana. Pretty comfortable there. You got most of the thunderstorms tonight and for the next couple of days to the north of us, Montana. And that's going to be pushing off towards the North Dakota and South Dakota region here as the jet stream is going to be dragging that moisture to our north. There's a few thunderclouds trying to get close here. We're going to get scraped by for the next couple of days. This is right now, again, First Alert Viper radar just picking up on a couple isolated thunderstorms trying to form right over the Montana border, pushing towards Island Park and West Yellowstone. And we could have a couple more storms later on this evening through the national parks. And again for tomorrow, pretty much the same deal as we have the jet stream just to our north, but it's way to the north. It's around the Canadian border. And it's dragging that moisture along through Montana and northern Idaho, leaving us with hot, high pressure building in from the south. There's a low in British Columbia, and that's going to travel to the north here for the weekend. That's going to drag in some wind, but it's not going to drag in any showers. No, we're going to be looking at high pressure here building in, and that wind from the north is going to really just keep it windy as we head into Saturday, so that's the only sign of a relief from the heat. By lunchtime tomorrow, you're already into the mid-80s, and we're going to be around 90 degrees at dinner time tomorrow afternoon. Take a look at the Vipercast. The temperature models are up. We're going to hit our peak right around 3 o'clock in the afternoon for tomorrow. That's going to freeze the Vipercast. Well into the 90s for Twin Falls, near 90 for Pocatello, mid-80s in Idaho Falls. And again, these are rough model estimates, and we'll get to the exact numbers here in just a second. But as we go into Thursday night, Friday morning, it's still going to be very warm and mild just to get the day started. Friday morning, 60 degrees as you're heading outside roughly, and then we'll be into the lower to mid-80s, slightly cooler for Friday. And then again on Saturday, we're also going to see temperatures return closer to the normal range, mid-50s in the morning, and then we'll be into the upper 70s, lower 80s Saturday afternoon, right around 3, 4 o'clock. Let's talk about the numbers here for tonight. We're hitting lows around 50 degrees for Idaho Falls, 89 for tomorrow, 90 for Blackfoot, and 91 in Pocatello, 92 in Burley with an 89 in Arco. 88 for Salmon and Chow, 79 in Stanley with the 83 mark for Mackey. Upper 80s for Rexburg. We'll see the lower to mid 80s for Driggs and Jackson around the Tetons with the 81 mark for Island Park. 89 for Preston, 90 in Malad with 86 in Lava Hot Springs. Here's the 8-day forecast. Marching forward into the weekend, that low across British Columbia, that's going to bring in the wind, but it's not going to bring in showers. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, lots of sunshine and highs here in the lower to mid 80s. So it's going to be the hottest day again for tomorrow, and then we're going to return to normal for Saturday, but things are going to heat right back up again on Sunday, and that's because we're losing that brief little hint of that Canadian low. It's going to be out of here, and that's going to start pushing back in warmer weather as high pressure on Sunday in Pocatello takes us back up to 88 degrees. We'll see 87 for Monday and 85 on Tuesday. Rexburg, same deal here. We're looking at temperatures pushing back into the upper 70s for Saturday, 80s on Sunday, and then getting into next week, a windy, sunny week. Blackfoot, hot here with highs at around 90 for tomorrow, 84 for Friday, 82 on Saturday, 86 on Sunday. Lots of sunshine to get us into next week. Salmon, you're looking at temperatures here. We're hitting upper 80s for Thursday. Salmon, I'm putting a slight chance of a thunderstorm in there for tomorrow. And that's just mostly because you're getting a little bit of that spillover from Montana. But everyone else, you're looking at dry conditions. You may also get a couple thunderstorms around Island Park and West Yellowstone. Jackson, a slight chance of a thunderstorm on Friday. And that's also coming along with that Canadian low. But a 20% chance. It's really
not much.
Not much. And even then, most of the thunderstorms will be north. So it's a weak 20% chance.
Okay.
Does that make sense? Really some days we have a
wimpy,
stronger,
lame 20% chance.
Yeah, it's going to be a weaker, and at 20% chance is actually being fairly generous here.
Okay.
But I just had to throw it out there. Just a couple thunderclouds.
Well, you're a generous kind of guy. Thank you.
Well, I like to give, and I'm giving you hot weather and dry conditions. How about that?
Thank you.
Well, here's what we're working on for Local News 8 at 6.